Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nova Armada channel to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Alitalia DC-8 in Alitalia's 1960s air livery with the Italian tricolor on the tail. This aircraft was powered by 4 Rolls Royce Conway 12 series low bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 17,500 pounds force or 78 kilonewtons at full power. The exit limit for this aircraft is 177 people, but in a normal 3-class layout, this aircraft can nominally carry 100 to 120 people. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 483 knots, or 895 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 4,200 nautical miles, or 7,800 kilometers, with a standard load on board. This DC-8-43 was first acquired by Alitalia on April 28, 1960. The initial livery was the 1960s air livery with the Italian tricolor on the tail. The aircraft was registered as India-Delta India Whiskey Alpha and named after Amerigo Vespucci. This aircraft did suffer one small incident of turbulence with injuries to 4 passengers and 1 member of the flight crew in 1973. Unfortunately, there are no photos of this aircraft between 1977 and 1978. After 17 years of service with Alitalia, the aircraft was purchased in 1977 by International Air Leases, an aircraft leasing company. They then leased the aircraft to Saudi Arabian Airlines. That lasted for about a year and a half. The aircraft was then leased to a company known as Queen of the World for its use for under a year. Late 1978 saw the aircraft acquired by Airliners del Peru after a conversion to carry cargo. This aircraft was re-registered as Oscar Bravo-Romeo-1143 and given a red and white livery. Unfortunately, this aircraft's career would be short as she crashed short of Mexico City Airport in the fog of August 1st of 1980 and was written off. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft released in 2001. Our sources have this as one of 4 production runs for this aircraft, all in 1/400 scale, with 3 runs done by Gemini Jets in variations of its 1960s air livery and 1 by Aero Classics in the livery seen on this model. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. Thank you, and good day.